All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic regarding none other than Pepe itself. As you guys know, today is the first update of the month of July. I still cannot believe that, we are in July. Like, it's absolutely insane. It feels like yesterday that the year of 2024 started and we're literally more than halfway through. But let's take a look at what's happening with the broader markets. Starting out brand new month, you are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, and I did indicate in my update over the past few days that we could see a fake out bounce for Bitcoin, but I still think we do see more consolidation before actually breaking towards all-time highs. But nonetheless, the market is looking absolutely amazing. Pepe up 5.3% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 1184. Still about 4 zeros in front of the price. And if you're looking at it in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, it's up about 2.5% in that respective category. But if you're looking at the market cap, the market cap is trying to approach back up to that $5 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume has obviously increased as well, currently sitting at a $500 million mark. But before we go into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So just look at the holder count, guys. I really want you guys to kind of go take a look at the last 1 week, the last 1 month, and kind of compare how much this holder count really changed. And again, this is something a lot of people are not paying attention to, and this gives you an indication that there is still new money coming into Pepe, more holders, more new people that are wanting to have a Pepe in their portfolios. And you can see the unique holder count is increasing as days go by, so that is obviously a great tool to be keeping an eye out on. Of course, a lot of people say that there could be manipulation also occurring in the holder count, but sometimes on-chain data is also something that we can kind of take a look and see what is happening. But right now we're seeing a lot of good growth within Pepe community, and we'll definitely take that. But let's shift our focus to see what is happening with the broader meme coin market. Today you could see this for yourself. The entire meme coin market is absolutely doing amazing, and again, that's thanks to Bitcoin move. You can see the overall market cap is at $52.6 billion, up 5.3%, and you are seeing the love being felt right now, especially the last 24 hours. Pretty much everything right now is up. You could pretty much scroll except Mega. You are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, some up double digits, so that is obviously really nice to see. As far as Pepe is concerned, it's still ranked as a top 3 coin in terms of market cap, and obviously that is something nice to see. And over the last 7 days, it's up 12.4%, and of course on the last 24 hours, it's up 5.4%. So that is obviously something that we can keep in mind. Dog with Pad performing really good, up 50.2% over the past 7 days. So that is obviously worthwhile noting. But great stuff happening for the price of Pepe. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price. So dominance actually made its way towards the upside, but thanks to BTC right now, this is what you want to be paying attention to. So we did see Bitcoin bounce as we did close out the month of June. You did see Bitcoin actually having that breakout. It actually did make its way back above $62,529. I indicated that if we're able to get back above that, we could see this move towards the upside, a little bit of an uptick. And I still think that $64,822 could be a realistic target for BTC. And I think that is not an unrealistic target to be aiming for. But I still believe that before all-time high happens, I think we do see more consolidations, more fake outs, and a lot of liquidation occurring. So be very careful. Obviously, if you are dollar cost averaging and you've done your due diligence research, it doesn't really matter at that point. I'm sure you guys know that. And stay away from leverage trading. I cannot emphasize enough on that. Like, stay away from futures and leverage platforms. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. So of course, this right here is the daily time frame. You can pretty much see even on the daily time frame that we're seeing a little bit of an uptick. We were being supported by the previous all-time high, which I indicated to you guys back in May. That was being strong level of support for us, but we're seeing a little bit of a bounce since then. So let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame to really understand what is going on. So you can see this for yourself. Pepe did actually make a move towards the upside. Beautiful to see, and we made our way up to the 1217 zone, and you can make this up right now. Obviously, when you look at it on the the hourly time frame, things make more sense. We literally got stopped out at the 1217 zone, significant amount of resistance as you can see right now, and it's not coming as a surprise that we actually made our way up to that, and we're seeing a little bit of rejection. But now where we're being supported by is significant level of support that we do have, which was a level of resistance as we were breaking towards the upside. But let's put this move into perspective. So if you got in literally just yesterday alone, you did see Pepe pump up about 12%. But right now, the targets remains the same as I've said to you guys before. If the 1215 resistance is able to break out, I think we do reclaim back up to this 1324 zone quite fast, and then of course get back to the main key resistance. So far the targets haven't remained the targets remain the same, and nothing has changed in my opinion. But we are seeing a nice bounce for Pepe, but so is the entire market. But let's keep these factors in mind. Obviously the fun begins once we actually cross above that 1459 zone, but let's take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.